Students, Sairam, this is Megha Miss here, and today we will continue with our lesson number 11, Reflection of Light. This is our session 6 students, and we are going to solve the sums in this session students. Okay, so we will start with the sums here so that it would be better for you that you can watch the video and solve the sum in your notebook, and then of course we will revise them again in our live sessions. Okay students, so starting with, we are going to solve the 3 sums which are given in your textbook in the exercise. We'll solve them one by one. Okay, so starting with the first one, you have an object of height 7 centimeter is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter in a front of a concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror. Okay students, the object of the height, so height is given to you 7 centimeter and the distance of the object from the mirror is given to you, that is 25 centimeter. Okay, the focal length of the mirror is 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be kept so that to get a clear image? So we have to see where we can place the screen so that we can get the clear image of the object. Okay, so that distance we have to find. What will be the size and nature of the image, and we have to find out how will be the size and the nature. Okay students, now we'll proceed. So answer 1 will start. Given part, as I told you, important, always remember to write given, to find and solution. Okay, so the given one, object height, I'll take it as h1. You can see it on the screen, that is 7 centimeter. U, okay, is equal to minus 25 centimeter, that is the distance of the object. Okay, F is given to you 15 centimeter. We'll take it as minus 15 and minus 25 students, as it is a concave mirror. Okay, to find image distance, we will write it as V, and size of the image height, that is h2. Okay, that how is the size? They have asked the size and the nature of the image. Okay, I hope given part is clear to you. Okay, we'll start with the solution students. Which formula we are going to use? We have studied this formula, right students? 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Okay, you have studied this formula students. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute the values. F value you know, right? So 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon V, because we have to find out the V value, plus 1 upon minus 25. Okay, now we have to solve this. 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon V. Now this plus is there right in between, and this minus 25 is there. So plus minus will become minus in between. So you will get 1 upon V minus 1 upon 25. Okay, now 1 upon V, which is positive here, when I take to this side, it will become minus 1 upon V. Okay students, so what you are going to get? Next step, what you are getting students? Minus 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 25 minus, because why minus? This 1 upon minus 15, when I take to this side, it will become negative, right? So minus 1 upon minus 15. Okay, now this minus sign and this of the minus 15 students will become the positive. Okay, we'll see here. Minus 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 25 plus 1 upon 15. That minus minus became plus. Okay, minus 1 upon V is equal to cross multiply students. Okay, simple step. 15 into 1, this into this. Okay, so minus 15 plus 25 upon 25 into 15. Okay, I hope this step is clear. We have cross multiplied. Okay, so what you are getting students? Now here 10 is, you are going to get 15. Minus 15 plus 25, you are going to get 10, right? So here it is going to be positive 10 students, because 25 is a greater number. It has got a plus sign. Okay, so what you will get? Minus 1 upon V is equal to 10 upon 375. Okay, Now when I want to take its reciprocal, as I want to find the value of v, right? So minus 1 upon v, if I reciprocal it will become minus v, right? But this side it will also reciprocal, so 375 upon 10. Okay, so the v value, students, what you are going to get it is going to be is equal to v is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Okay, students, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, 375 upon 10, you are going to get the value as minus 37.5 centimeter. So this is the v value. Okay, so now we have to find the H2 size, right? So you have the formula, this you know all of you. H2 upon H1 is equal to minus v upon u. In magnification you have studied this formula, students. H2 upon H1 is equal to minus v upon u. Now we have to find the H2 value, right? So what we have done, this H1 will go and multiply this side. So see, students, you have got that minus v upon u into H1. Okay, now H2 is equal to v value you have got, that is minus 37.5. Okay, so minus of minus 37.5 upon minus 25 is your u value, multiplied by 7 is the height of the object, right? When you solve this, students, this equation, you are going to get the answer, that is H2 is equal to minus 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, now students, tell me, can height be negative? No, height cannot be negative. So this tells us that the nature of the image is real and inverted. Why? Because the negative sign has come. Means when negative sign is coming, that means the object has got, the image what has been got from that object is inverted image. Okay, students, height cannot be negative. So we are going to take the positive answer as 10.5. Okay, and nature of the image, students, you will write it as it is real and inverted. Okay, I hope you understood this first sum. Okay, final answer you are going to write. Okay, students, clear? We'll move to the second one. Now see the second one. A convex mirror has a focal length of 18 centimeter. Now here it is a convex mirror. The image of an object kept in front of the mirror is half the height of the object. Okay, so the image of the object which is kept in the front of the mirror, it is half. Okay, what is the distance of the object from the mirror? So we have to now calculate the distance of the object. Okay, now we'll see. Now what is given, students, to us? Focal length f is given 18 centimeter. We'll take it as positive as it is a convex mirror. Okay, magnification formula you know, H2 upon H1, right? You can write it that, and that they have given as half. Yes, now to find, what we have to find, students? Distance of the object, u value. In the before sum, u value was given, v we had to find out, right? Now see here, solution. M is equal to half. You know magnification, you can write it as capital M. So M is equal to half is equal to minus v upon u, because you can write M is equal to minus v upon u. Okay, so if M is equal to minus v upon u and M is equal to half, means we can write it in this way. Okay, means now here what I needed, minus v. Okay, so minus v is equal to u upon 2. Okay, what minus v value if I want to calculate, then this u will go and multiply with this 1 and you are going to get minus v is equal to u upon 2. Okay, if I want to give this minus sign here, so v value will become minus u upon 2. Okay, clear, students? Okay, we'll proceed. I hope you are understanding and you will solve it on your own. Okay, now therefore v is equal to minus u upon 2. This we have got the value for v. Okay, but we are interested in u. So what formula we are going to use, students? 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. This formula we are going to use. Now you know this V value. Yes, all of you know this V value. So what we are going to do? 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon minus U upon 2 plus 1 upon U. Okay, we have substituted the value here. Okay, now here if I take the reciprocal, 2 is going to go up. So it will become minus 2 or 2 upon minus U. Anything you can write. Here I have taken minus with 2. Okay. So minus 2 upon U plus 1 upon U. Right. As it is now. Can I take 1 upon U common from both this? Yes. So I have taken 1 upon U common outside. Minus 2 plus 1 has remained. Okay. Now you know minus 2 plus 1. What is the answer, student? Minus 1. 2 is a bigger number having a minus sign. So what I have got? 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon U multiplied by minus 1. Okay. Now here if you see 1 and this 1 which is there, you are going to get the answer as 1. So minus 1 upon U will be the answer. Okay. So we'll see here. Yes. Therefore 1 upon F is equal to minus 1 upon U. Okay. Can I therefore if I take the reciprocals, F will be equal to minus U. Yes. Now you know F value they have given. What is the value they have given? 18. Right. So U will become minus 18 centimeter. Okay student. So hence negative cannot be, distance cannot be negative. So students, hence the distance of the object from the mirror is 18 centimeter. You have to remove the negative sign and you will write the answer in positive. Okay. In the sum you will mention U is equal to minus 18 centimeter. But when you write the final answer, you will write it in positive as I have written here. Hence the distance of the object from the mirror is 18 centimeter. Okay students, I hope this sum is also clear to you. Okay, here it was a convex mirror. First sum it was a concave mirror. Okay, when you solve the sums in your notebook, you will understand it more better. Okay, we'll move to the third one. Now, a 10 centimeter long stick is kept in front of a concave mirror having focal length of 10 centimeter. Again, now we have got a concave mirror students. Okay, its focal length is given 10 centimeter in such a way that the end of the stick closest to the pole is at a distance of 20 centimeter. What will be the length of the image? Okay, so object distance is given 20 centimeter, focal length is given, and again students we have to find the length of the image as we have done in the first sum. Okay, so shall we proceed? Okay, we'll see now how we can do this sum. Okay, now see here. Given part. H1 is equal to 10 centimeter they have given. F is equal to 10 centimeter they have given. U is equal to minus 20 centimeter. We will take it as it is a concave mirror. Okay. Now to find, what we have to find students? Length of the image. Okay. That is H2. Tell me here focal length, you will take it as positive or negative students? Yes, you will take it as negative as it is a concave mirror. Yes. So see here I have put it in the formula. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So can you see the values are substituted here? Yes. 1 upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon minus 20. Okay. As we have solved in the first sum, we are going to solve step by step. 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 upon minus 20. Okay. Why here now minus sign has come? Okay. Because now this equation, this side I have taken to this side. Okay. So this plus sign which is there, again I will show you. The plus sign has turned into the minus sign. Okay. As 1 upon V I have kept as positive here. Okay. Now when you solve it, again cross multiply. 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon minus 10 plus 1 upon 20. Okay. How plus came? See here students, this minus and this minus of 20 became positive. Okay. Now we will proceed students. Now the next, 1 upon v is equal to 20 plus minus 10 upon minus 10 into 20. When you cross multiply, you get it in this way. Okay. So 1 upon v is equal to 10 upon minus 200. 1 upon v is equal to, now this 0 and this 0 got cancelled. You will get 1 upon minus 20. When I do the reciprocal, students, what I am going to get is v is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Okay. Is this clear, students? Yes. Now we will proceed to h2. We have to calculate the height h2, right? So h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u, as we did it in the first sum. Okay. So h2 will become minus v upon u into h1. Okay. So h2 is equal to, now minus 20. We have got the v value, but it is minus v. So minus of minus 20 upon minus 20 into 10. Okay. Now here very easy. This and this can easily cancel out. Only remaining is this 10 and this minus sign. So students, you got h2 value, students, as is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Okay. So again minus value. Can height be negative, students? No, the length of the image is 10 centimeter. We'll write it in positive and it will be real and inverted. How you understood that it is real and inverted, students? Because the height what we have got, it is in negative. Okay, students, I hope whatever the sums we did today, all the 3 sums, I hope you will understand them by solving them in the notebook. Okay, students. So here we complete with the lesson. We have done only 3 sums are there in your textbook. We have done all the 3 sums in this presentation. Please solve all these sums again in your notebook and practice them. If you have any doubt, we will solve them in the live session. Okay, students, I'll stop it here. Thank you. Sai Ram. Take care.